In this video, we'll move a sprite in response to keyboard events in PyGame. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for PyGame hold key to move. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. Now this use case requires the PyGame library to function, so before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Define the image wherever required in this code. Let's take a look at the code now. Here we are importing the PyGame and then we are defining a class named character. Now this initializes the PyGame library, and here we are creating elements like PyGame window, PyGame clock object, character, etc. etc. Here the loop iterates over all the events in the PyGame event queue. And if we press the down arrow key, it moves downward. For left arrow key, it moves left, and so on. Let's see how it works. Let's run the code. I'm pressing the downward key on the keyboard now. Right, upwards. And you have moved a sprint in response to keyboard events in PyGame.